I know a lot of dentists. That's just how it is. I recently had a fascinating conversation with a friend and dentist. Now, she was very excited about the possibility of AI, but also a bit hesitant. Well, most dentists, they're worried about losing the personal touch, which is so crucial in dentistry. It's a valid concern. After all, dentistry is a profession built on trust, empathy. But the truth is, AI isn't here to replace the human connection, it's here to enhance it. Well, AI can handle routine tasks like scheduling appointments and answering FAQs. This frees up the staff to focus on providing exceptional patient care. We've seen dental clinics successfully implement AI in various ways. While some have automated patient check ins, while others use AI for data analytics to improve treatment plans. Well, the key is to find the right balance. Start small, perhaps with a simple AI powered FAQ box, and as you gain confidence, you can explore more advanced applications. You can also try it for your billing backend functions like billing, insurance. Remember, the goal isn't to replace human interaction, but to augment it. By leveraging AI, you can deliver a more efficient and personalized experience for your patients, which is what everyone wants.